And today I'm going to show you how to join a group on Schoology and upload resources. As you can see, I'm on the Mount Vernon City School District homepage. Right next to our staff webmail is the Schoology icon. Click on it and it will take you to the Schoology homepage. My name is up in the right, so you can see, check to make sure you're on your own homepage. You see I already have some discussions with people in groups I've joined. And if you come over here, you'll see there's the home. And this is my home page. Next to it is courses. The one we're interested in is called groups. Click on groups, and you can see if you're interested in finding public groups that teachers chat and share information in, you can go there to look for different groups. You see I've joined 3 different public groups: differentiated instruction, language arts, and blended learning. You can join down there. If you want to create a group, I have created a group called Lincoln Teachers. Your grade level may want to create a group, or your subject area you're most interested in, you might want to create a Lincoln group. We're going to click on Lincoln Group Teachers. And here's the home page for the Lincoln Teachers group. As you all sign up, the members will pop up over here. To access a group, you must use an access code that's in the lower left in a green shaded area. This is your access code. You can pause and join now or jot it down for later. The next thing we're going to do after we've joined a group is add resources. Find resources here, click on it, and the resources that I have already loaded up you can see on our screen. A Schoology KWL chart if you want to take notes, a note-taking template you may be interested in for your students, and the Schoology banner PowerPoint, which I created to share some information about Schoology. We're going to open that up. And here we are. What is Schoology? Schoology is a new way to create, manage, and share content and resources. If you have a minute, click on this link so I can introduce myself to you as a Lincoln librarian. What is Schoology? It's a learning management system. That's where you can put everything into one easy spot to locate. Students can access Schoology from any device. And if you want to learn more about Schoology, click on this YouTube link, and they have uploaded a nice little 2-minute video about what Schoology is and its creation. What are we going to learn today? Your aim is, how can I use Schoology to share a lesson in a Lincoln group? By the end of this, you will be able to join a Lincoln group and upload a lesson. Why do you want to do this? Because Schoology will make sharing with colleagues much easier. All right, now we're ready to upload a resource. Go to Add Resources and click on it. And you will see you can add various things to this group. I'm going to add a file. You may have lessons you have stored in your files, and that's where you're going to download it. I'm going to find a file to attach, and it's going into my computer to find it. I'm going to look in Documents, and in my Documents folder, I have a folder of Tuck Everlasting worksheets from when I read Tuck Everlasting. I'm going to share with you the Tuck Everlasting PDF I have in there. I'm going to open it. And as you can see, that orange shaded area, it's uploading it. When it's uploaded and you say it says complete, I'm going to click Add. And it will show up on our group page, and there it is as a PDF. Now, your assignment is to go on to Schoology, join our Lincoln group, and then upload a lesson that you would like to share with all of us. If you have any questions, you know where to find me. I'm in the library for you for any of your needs. Thank you.